Welcome back. It's now time for sports. World 100-meter champion Oblique Seville leads a list of 9 men nominated for the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman of the Year Award for 2025. The full list of nominees was announced at the launch moments ago. Seville won his first individual global medal when he dismissed a quality field in the Tokyo to take the men's 100-meter in a personal best 9.77 seconds. Silver medalist Kishane Thompson has also been nominated on a list where 7 of the 8 nominees are from track and field. The other nominees are Orlando Bennett, Tajay Gale, Brian Level, Tyler Mason, Wayne Pinnock, and Raymond Richards, while Grand Senior World Champion veteran Anthony TJ Johnson is the only non-track and field nominee. Johnson created history by winning country's first ever gold medal at the International Practical Shooting Confederation Handgun World Championship in South Africa when he took gold in September. Meanwhile, only 4 women have been nominated for the Sports Woman of the Year award. World Championship 100-meter silver medalist Tina Clayton, along with Sharika Jackson, who took bronze in the 200-meter in Tokyo, are joined by World Indoor 60-meter hurdles bronze medalist Akira Nugent and motorsports Sarah Mizur. The 65th RJRGleaner Sports Foundation Sportsman and Woman of the Year Award ceremony will take place on Saturday, January 16, 2026. And that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.